Hi friends, welcome back to Chirag Enterprises video. Today we are decarbonizing a Skoda rapid vehicle which has so far covered 87,000 odd kilometers. Decarbonizing done on this vehicle as a maintenance part. This process is a completely safest and easiest way of engine carbon care or engine carbon cleaning. In this process, carbon deposits inside the engine are cleaned without opening the engine, using world's most advanced decarbonizing technology. This is just a 30 minutes process where your vehicle gets back to its originality nearly up to 80%. Its pickup, mileage, performance, smoothness will be restored to originality. Even black smoke will be reduced. Totally you will get a new vehicle driving experience. So what are you waiting for? Get your vehicles decarbonized at Chirag Enterprises, Davangere. You can contact us at 88927 30100.